Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering SEO for Bing and Yahoo. When we think of search engine optimization, our minds often gravitate towards Google. But let's not forget about Bing and Yahoo. They might not be the behemoths that Google is, but they still command a significant slice of the search engine market. In fact, Bing and Yahoo together make up more than a quarter of the search engine market. That's a sizable audience you could be missing out on if you're not optimizing for these platforms. Understanding and leveraging the unique algorithms of Bing and Yahoo can unlock new opportunities to increase your website's visibility. While there are similarities between these platforms and Google, there are also distinct differences that require tailored strategies. In today's digital landscape, optimizing for multiple search engines is crucial for maximizing online visibility and driving organic traffic to your website. To succeed on Bing and Yahoo, it's essential to understand their unique algorithms and ranking factors. Now let's dive into the key differences between the algorithms of these two search engines and the market leader, Google. First, Bing and Yahoo place a higher emphasis on social media integration. If your content is shared frequently on social platforms, it's more likely to rank higher on these search engines. This is a stark contrast to Google, which has repeatedly stated that social signals do not directly impact rankings. Secondly, Bing and Yahoo value older, more established websites, unlike Google, which appreciates new, fresh content. So if your website has been around for a while, you might see better rankings on Bing and Yahoo. Furthermore, Bing and Yahoo place a higher emphasis on the exact match of keywords. While Google uses latent semantic indexing to understand the context around keywords, Bing and Yahoo prefer exact keyword matches in content and URLs. Additionally, Bing and Yahoo give more weight to the meta keywords tag. While this tag is largely dismissed by Google, it still holds some relevance in Bing and Yahoo's algorithms. However, it's important to use this feature responsibly and avoid keyword stuffing. Lastly, Bing and Yahoo have a stronger focus on local results. If your business has a strong local presence, it could rank higher on these platforms. This is particularly useful for local businesses aiming to attract nearby customers. While these differences might seem minor, they can significantly impact your website's performance on Bing and Yahoo. So it's crucial to understand these nuances and tailor your SEO strategies accordingly. In essence, SEO for Bing and Yahoo involves a delicate balance between satisfying the unique demands of their algorithms and adhering to general SEO best practices. It's about understanding what each platform values and adjusting your strategies to meet those needs. While some principles overlap with Google, there are distinct differences to consider. By taking these into account, you can enhance your website's visibility across multiple search engines, increase organic traffic, and ultimately, drive business growth. Keyword research remains fundamental. With Bing and Yahoo, you're not just dealing with a mirror image of Google's keyword landscape, it's a whole different ballgame. The first step is understanding your target audience. What are they searching for? What language do they use? What problems are they trying to solve? By understanding your audience, you can anticipate the keywords they might use in their search queries. Next, you'll need to generate a list of potential keywords. This can be done using a variety of tools, such as Bing's Keyword Planner, or even just by brainstorming. Remember, it's not just about volume. You should also consider the relevancy and competitiveness of each keyword. Once you have a list of keywords, it's time to refine it. This involves analyzing each keyword in terms of search volume, competition, and relevance to your business. You should aim to target keywords that have a high search volume and relevance but low competition. But don't stop there. You'll want to continually expand and refine your keyword list. This is an ongoing process as search trends change and new keywords emerge. Now onto the optimization part. It's not enough to just identify the right keywords. You need to incorporate them into your content in a way that's natural and beneficial to the reader. This means including keywords in your title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and throughout the body of your content. But be careful not to overdo it. Keyword stuffing can harm your rankings. Instead, aim for a natural, reader-friendly use of keywords. Moreover, consider the semantic context of your keywords. Bing and Yahoo are getting better at understanding context, so it's important to use related terms and synonyms that help paint a clearer picture of your content. Lastly, don't forget about long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that are less competitive but can drive highly targeted traffic. Conduct thorough research to identify terms that resonate with these platforms' audiences. Remember, SEO is not a one-size-fits-all approach. By understanding the unique characteristics of Bing and Yahoo, you can optimize your keyword strategy and drive more organic traffic to your site. Optimize meta tags and descriptions with relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. This is a fundamental rule of thumb when it comes to on-page SEO. Bing and Yahoo, like other search engines, use these snippets of text to understand your page's content. But remember, they value quality over quantity, so while keywords are important, they shouldn't compromise the readability or relevance of your meta tags and descriptions. Now let's talk about content. In the world of SEO, content is king, and this is no different for Bing and Yahoo. These search engines are on a continuous quest to provide their users with the most relevant and high-quality content. So how do we make our content stand out? First, make sure your content is original. Bing and Yahoo appreciate unique content that provides a fresh perspective on a topic. Replicating content from other sources won't do you any favors. Second, ensure your content is comprehensive. Dive deep into the subject matter. Provide valuable insights, backed up with reliable data and examples. This not only makes your content more appealing to users, but also signals to Bing and Yahoo that your content is authoritative and trustworthy. Third, keep your content engaging. Use a conversational tone, incorporate storytelling, and use visuals where appropriate. The more engaging your content is, the longer users will stay on your page, which is a positive signal to search engines. Lastly, keep your content up to date. The digital world is fast-paced and ever-changing. Regularly updating your content ensures it remains relevant and valuable to users. And don't forget about the technical side of on-page SEO. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and loads quickly. These factors contribute to a positive user experience, which Bing and Yahoo highly value. In conclusion, on-page SEO and content quality are key components of a successful SEO strategy for Bing and Yahoo. Both Bing and Yahoo prioritize informative, engaging content that addresses user queries effectively. By focusing on these elements, you'll be well on your way to improving your rankings and driving more organic traffic to your website. Backlinks remain a crucial ranking factor. In the world of Bing and Yahoo, they're like votes of confidence from other websites, signaling that your content is valuable and worthy of citation. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Bing and Yahoo place a high emphasis on the quality of the links over the quantity. A backlink from a highly respected, authoritative website in your niche can significantly boost your site's visibility in Bing and Yahoo search results. Conversely, links from low-quality or irrelevant websites can harm your rankings. So focus on building relationships with reputable websites and creating high-value content that others will want to link to. Now let's shift gears and talk about website performance. In the digital age, speed is everything. Internet users demand quick, seamless experiences, and search engines like Bing and Yahoo are no different. They prioritize websites that load quickly and function smoothly, ensuring a positive user experience. Imagine you're a visitor to your own site. Would you stick around if it took ages to load? Probably not. And if visitors are clicking away because your site is too slow, Bing and Yahoo will take note. Slow-loading websites can see a drop in rankings, making it harder for potential customers to find you. To boost your website performance, start by optimizing your images. Large, unoptimized images can significantly slow down your website. Use compression tools to reduce their size without sacrificing quality. Next, consider minifying your CSS and JavaScript. This process removes unnecessary characters in your code, reducing its size and improving load times. Another effective strategy is to leverage caching. Caching can store parts of your site so they don't need to be reloaded each time a user visits, speeding up the overall load time. Both Bing and Yahoo prioritize fast-loading websites with responsive design. So, optimizing your website performance isn't just good for user experience, it's also critical for your SEO strategy. By focusing on high-quality backlinks and website performance, you can improve your rankings on Bing and Yahoo and drive more organic traffic to your site. Regular monitoring and analysis are essential. This is more than a mantra, it's a necessary practice for effective SEO strategy. In the dynamic world of search engine optimization, what worked yesterday may not yield results tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to keep a close eye on your website's performance and make adjustments as needed. Analytics tools are your best allies in this ongoing process. They offer a wealth of insights into your website's performance, keyword rankings, and user engagement metrics. These metrics provide a clear picture of what's working and what's not, enabling you to fine-tune your SEO strategies with precision. Perhaps you discover a particular keyword is driving significant traffic to your site on Bing, but not on Yahoo. Or maybe you notice a dip in user engagement on a recently published blog post. These insights guide your next steps, helping you stay competitive in Bing and Yahoo search results. Utilize analytics tools to track website performance, keyword rankings, and user engagement metrics. This is your roadmap to mastering SEO for Bing and Yahoo. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well equipped to optimize your website for Bing and Yahoo. You've learned the importance of understanding these platforms' unique algorithms, conducting keyword research, optimizing your content and backlinks, and monitoring your performance. Remember, SEO is an ongoing effort, not a one-time task. So, keep refining your strategies and stay adaptable. We hope this guide empowers you on your SEO journey. Stay tuned for more expert tips and insights. Thanks for watching.